Hello, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P11. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet, tap View Wallet button, and as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards, manage your passes and check quick tips. Also you can add new passes like loyalty, gift card and payment, and also transport. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google account, all wallet tips, contactless setup, which is unavailable because this tab doesn't have NFC, but you can check full list of participating banks. In Password Manager, you can manage your passwords. In your detailed wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In Wallet Settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to Help and Feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.